Viscapers! I'm Caroline Allison, and I'm here with Brad Gerster from Altimeter Capital. We're here at TravelCom in Atlanta, Georgia, and Brad and I are talking about travel trends. So, Brad, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got into travel?
Sure. I started as an investor, worked for a venture capital company in Boston, ended up running a company called National Leisure Group. And for the last 4 years, I've been with hedge funds investing in travel companies, both private companies like ITA Software, Faircast, Sidestep, and public companies like Sabre and Expedia.
So, Brad has a view of the industry from an investor point of view. So, Brad, could you tell us, big picture, what kind of stocks are you looking at? What are you investing in today?
So it's pretty clear to everyone the value of all travel companies has fallen 80% over the course of the last year. They're great companies and some great values, but my bigger picture kind of statement is simply that we're in for a tough slog. Don't get in too early. But there are going to be great companies that emerge from this, both private companies as well as some other public companies. There are going to be some bankruptcies. There will be consolidation. This is going to be a time of extreme change. But 24 or 36 months from now, the economy will be better and travel companies will still be around.
So Brad was actually one of the speakers here, and he had actually talked about the S&P falling by 40%, but travel down double that. So Brad, given that you mentioned that today is a good time to be buying and investing, what are you buying and investing? I mean, from your own personal portfolio.
Sure. So, let's say this, I'm underinvested today and I have as many stocks on the short side as I do on the long side. I don't think today is a time to invest your money in a buy and hold strategy because there's just too much volatility and too much uncertainty. So you need to stick with things you know really well, you need to stick with winners, and you need to pay attention to the markets. I'm more inclined to think that private companies will do better today than public.
Great. Thanks, Brad.
Great.
Really appreciate the insights, and thanks for tuning in. We'll have more coverage on TravelCom coming soon. That's it.
Look at you, man. Good.